What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'm giving you guys just a video of me braiding my hair. It's a little DIY, a small tutorial, and everything that I listed will be in this video if you're interested in, if that's why you're watching. But hey, I'm Zan. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. And yeah, I make hair videos, college videos, all that. And today I did this. Boho braids, goddess braids, whatever you guys want to call them. I did them myself, and it took me a very long time because I had no help, and I started like really late. But if you want to know how I did it, you want to know like what kind of hair I use, all that, keep watching the video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next clip. I'm braiding my hair. So I went to the beauty supply and I just got some SHEIN Jam, the conditioning gel extra hold, because I'm on a budget and you know it's gonna do enough. I think I should get a different one. This one look kind of empty. And of course I got some braiding hair. This is the braiding hair that I'm using, the Expression ×3. Y'all, I just feel like these are starting to get thinner and thinner. It's not giving what it used to give when I was a kid. Like these some little bundles really. So I got 2 packs of that, and we just gonna, I got 3 packs of that just in case. And then we're doing the boho braids, guys. So I got me a bundle of this master mix, and I'm just gonna hope for the best, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not, but I got 1 bundle of this. Yeah, this was $12. The braiding hair was $4.98 each, and the gel was $7. So that was like, no, it was, the total was $37 just on the braiding hair and alone. But that's really why it's been taking me so long to do it. I did these braids, y'all, but I literally just did these, but I'm gonna take them out and do these. Basically, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. My head is pretty small. 5 on each side for the front, and then I don't know how many rows in the back, but we're gonna do these braids pretty small. I'm just gonna come back. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna do knotless braids. If you're wondering how I'm gonna be adding the bundle, I'm just gonna cut off the track part, and then yeah, but I'll show you guys me doing that when I get to the front. Y'all already know that my hair's gonna turn out bomb, so yeah. But so hit that subscribe button if you want more hair videos. It's summertime, and y'all know I like to experiment in the summer. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So the hair I used for my boho curly pieces was the Gardena, I think this is body wave. Well, this is deep wave. Deep wave is 36 inches, and I don't recommend using this hair because when I dipped it the first time, the hair looked great. And you know, I was happy because it says that the hair can be straightened up to like 400 degrees. But when I did it the second time to make sure that my actual braids were flowy, I do think I messed up the hair. Also, I don't recommend putting the curly pieces in how I did, just because they did slip out eventually, and I did have to crochet some more pieces in. So later on in the video, I'm going to show you another way to add the curly pieces in, because this way that I'm doing right here, the curly pieces did slip out. So I don't recommend doing it like this. This is a pretty easy way, but the other way is easy as well, and it lasts longer. Also, y'all, I know my edges are thin. Yeah, they're very thin. Help me grow them out. Help me grow my edges back, because I don't know, my hair is just really thin.
Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the knob got Diego. Say hasta luego. Booby and rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weep for anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep a couple water cats. Going out, got me big bad Verona. Out Vegas, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, put up till the dinner in the Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabin. Till it's all family, if you run off with the purr. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Knock his ass out, ain't no telling what he saw. Come on, watch out, I don't know if it's off. Watch out, chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring.
So this is the other method I was referring to. You're just gonna braid it in like you were to do your feet ends. Just keep braiding it up into a point where you feel like it's comfortable and it won't slip out, and then you'll just grab the longer piece and pull it out. I would have had to put it in my mouth just because I had nowhere else to put it, but then yeah, you'll just braid around it, and then once you feel comfortable, you let it go out your mouth and it's in your head. Okay, y'all, so I'm basically done. I just have to dip the ends. This hair is a master mix, so it says it can take up to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna dip it in the boiling water and we're gonna see what happens. If I mess it up, then dang, but it gotta get dipped, because yeah. But I gotta finish this braid up, and then that is all the braids. So I used 1 pack of the master mix, but I didn't even finish it all. I didn't use the whole bundle. I used almost the whole bundle, and then I only used one of the 3-pack, and then like 1 extra one. But I did the braids pretty small, but the curly pieces make it look full, and that's great. Nobody wants thin hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, actually I have to fix one of these because I accidentally braided the curly piece into another braid. So I'm going to fix it because I don't want those braids to be connected, and I don't want to cut it either. So I'm just gonna redo it. Yeah, it's in the back. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm starving. He saw the best. Period. I'm playing my gospel music. I'm playing my gospel music all morning. I can't find it now. Okay guys, so the water is in the microwave for 4 minutes, and I'm about to do my edges, but unfortunately this is all I have. And do you see any edge control in here? We gonna figure it out. And y'all know my baby hair is thin, so I could really just use water, but we gonna have to make this work. We gonna have to make this work.
And don't mind my tan line. I don't know if y'all can see it, but don't mind it. That's why I'm doing braids, because I got this tan. Leave them wigs alone.
Y'all never comment with videos y'all want to see, so I'm gonna just keep doing the videos that I want to do. And right now it was a hair video, so look at these parts. On the back, probably not all that, but listen, I did this all myself with no help. Did you help me? You didn't. So if my parts look raggedy, it's because y'all didn't help me. But yeah, I have to dip them and then shape it, because yeah, I'm gonna change too. I'm not wearing this. This side is dipped, this side is not. I just wanted to know if you could like tell the difference. Yeah. Okay, other side. Hey y'all, so my hair is done. Once again, the curly hair was 36 inches. The braiding hair was 52, but you know, when you braid it, it like kind of shrinks up a bit. So yeah, this is how we're looking. I haven't shaped it yet. I'm just gonna do like a blunt cut, just at the back, just so it doesn't like fall. But yeah, I'm happy. to put a bra on, but just so I can sit better. And then some of my white Converse. That's the outfit of the day. I'm not wearing any makeup. Y'all already seen I don't have that much edge control, so we just gonna have to work with it. Grateful for the thing that you